Hello everybody, this is Ahmed Bilal and welcome into my second presentation in creative process module. First, I'm gonna make a short recap about my topic and about my idea in the beginning, then we go later on. In the beginning, I collect some references from the real life, from the Johan Deere gators. In the beginning, also I put some constraint for myself. Okay, the final product gonna be the like toy for the kids. The scale will be like something which is so small, like in the scale of the toy. And also the art style will be like minimalistic, something so simple, so iconic, can easy to understand and read it. Secondly, I decided the proportion. I like the exact proportion and found it's already stylized, already cartoony itself. So that was the first thing. The second thing was the wooden car. I like the wooden car and I found it's already minimalistic. We can use this material, which is wood. Maybe we can change that later on, but I start with wood. And also I added the idea of 3D puzzle, or we can adapt this car to make another cars as well. Then I started to write, like make a doodles, sketches to analyze, break down the tractor or break down the gator itself, and try to understand which is the main pieces. Okay, we have the body, we have the track, we have the hood, the wheels, all of these parts. Then I make a small table and I try to adjust that together. Later on, I put some systematic steps, like, okay, I have the physical prototype, the 3D blocking, then detailed model, then I'm gonna finish it, lighting and render. I made this physical prototype, which is so simple, from baskets package and from a sponge, and I try to play around and understand how many module I needed to create my car, and how it's well to catch the proportion, and also to find is it work or not. The next step was like making the study a little bit some pictures or references from interlocked in the wooding, how the woods could get together, and draw the early sketch about how I can make the idea in real life work. Then I making 3D blocking itself. Then I make also like 3D blocking with different variation, with different colors. Then I receive a feedback. This is doesn't looks like gator. This is don't like Johan Deere identity. This is not that similar for that. Then I try to rethinking again and to make a second round and try to adapt the new version for Johan Deere in another version. Then I start modeling from again, with ignoring the idea of moduling and make many cars from the same modules. Then ignore this idea and just like go ahead and make the specific one gator in the beginning, then later on make the other stuff. It actually was really helpful critique from Gina and from Bjorn as well. They advised me to do that, and it's helped me a lot to focus in only one module. Then I go in the another. I try to typically make the same gator with this proportion, with everything the same structure, everything is the same, and I try to break down the assets and see how it's working, how it can adjust together, or how these parts come together from plastic, from wood, it doesn't matter now, but just to find the relation and found the idea. Later I did some iterations for the colors. I still can't decide it alone to which one is work perfect. Sometimes I would say I like the black and wood, but also the other way around, the number 2, for example, I like it as well. So I'm still thinking about that. I hope that guys have a like advice, or have maybe can help me out to select one of those, or any other ideas as well. The next part in that project was the packaging, because my friend Robin told me like it would be nice if you can make a package for this thing, and it sometimes is very helpful to found some references in the beginning, as we know. Then I try to analyze what I saw in those references, and then I analyze them. mainly two categories. The one of them is like they package the car when it's collected already, and the other one it's package a car when it's not collected, like the breakdown. So that's the two main ways. I also still thinking and play around those things. I also like to take some comments or feedback regarding that. It would be nice as well. Thank you very much for hearing and attention. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao.